Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explain networking concepts from basic to advanced, step by step. Let's begin. What is networking? Networking is the process of connecting computers and other devices so they can share resources like files, internet, printers, and applications. It enables communication and data exchange in both small and large environments. Types of networks. There are several types of networks. LAN, local area network, covers small areas like homes or offices, fast and cost-effective. WAN, wide area network, spans large geographical areas, such as cities or countries. The internet is the biggest WAN. MAN, metropolitan area network, covers a city or large campus, used by ISPs and organizations. PAN, personal area network, used for personal devices like smartphones, smartwatches, and Bluetooth gadgets. LTE network topologies. Network topology is the structure of how devices are connected. Common types include bus topology. All devices share a single communication line. Simple but not fault-tolerant. Star topology. Devices are connected to a central hub or switch. Easy to manage and troubleshoot. Ring topology. Each device connects to two others, forming a ring. Data moves in one direction. Mesh topology. Each device connects to every other. Very reliable and redundant. Hybrid topology. A combination of two or more topologies. Network devices. Essential devices in networking include router, connects different networks and routes data between them. Switch, connects devices in a local area network and sends data to the correct destination. Hub, broadcasts data to all devices, less efficient than a switch. Conclusion. Networking is the foundation of modern communication. From simple LANs to the global internet, it connects the world. Understanding these pin-to-pin concepts will help you in IT careers, certifications, and real-world troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more whiteboard animations and tech tutorials.